Hi kids, today I am going to teach you about the comparison, classification, and differences of shapes, colors, animals, ice cream and few other things. Enjoy the video. Comparison. Tick the right choice. Which picture shows more? Purple color is having 3 boxes, and yellow is having 6 balls. So the answer is yellow. Next, which picture shows less? The answer is... Next, which picture shows more? Answer is... Next, which picture shows less? The answer is... Next, which picture shows more? Answer is... Next comparison. Which picture shows more? Here you can see 5 green balls, and here only 3. So the answer is 5. Next, which picture shows less? Here you can see 4 pink balls, and here only 2. So the answer is 2. Next, which picture shows more? Here you can see 2 brown balls, and here only 1. So the answer is 1. Next, which picture shows less? Here you can see 6 yellow balls, and here only 5, so the answer is 5. Next, which picture shows more? Here you can see 6 dotted balls, and here only 1, so the answer is 6. Classification. Sort out the tick shapes that are different below. Yes, I found the answer. Find similar shape below and tick. Next, sort out and tick objects below that are different. for watching the video. Please subscribe this channel to watch more video. Thanks.